today's video, I'm going to be using just my single shadow palettes that I had pulled shades from in order to create looks for the month of December. I'm actually recording this on December 20th right now. So I have all of these shades. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit it all in frame. I have all of these shades right here to choose from. So I'm going to be doing one eye look with one set of shades and one eye look with the other. And if you guys want to recreate this stuff, that's fine. I will be linking the product as well as the color, and if I can link the products that I'm using, that I will do that. If not, I will just tell you the shade or something that's similar to it, or the color of theme or whatever. So if I'm using a neutral, a yellow based cream matte shade, then you'll understand that it's a cream shadow, a cream colored shadow that has a yellow undertone to it. So hopefully that is helpful. I'll pull a couple of brushes here. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The first shade I'm gonna dip into is actually a Physicians Formula duo palette product. I just realized I have a shimmer shade stuck on my forehead. I do have concealer on my eyelids and a little bit of mascara on. This shade it does pull a little bit yellow as a cream shadow. I'll show it to you. It's this one right here that I'm using, this one here. And it came in a set. So from there, I'm gonna come into this palette here. The other half of that is down here. I'm going to be going into this shade here, which is more of a neutral color. This is one of my shadows, but it does have shimmer in it. It's a satin shade. And a lot of the shadows that I own from my line are all older shadows, 8 to 10 years old. This is a taupey bronze shade. And as you can see, I've got a lot of fallout there and here. But this is an older shadow. But any type of bronzy brown shade that's a mid-tone, but it has a taupe undertone will work for this. I'm just trying to deepen this area up. I'll pull it out and show it to you. It's called Escapade. And I don't have any more of it. I will also be taking pictures of the shadows that I use, so that at the end what I'll do is I'll post the actual pictures of the eyeshadows so that you guys can see the colors that I'm actually pulling to do the looks. So if you want to recreate it, you can. I know I'm going to use this shade. I haven't used it in a while. Let me get it up. This is a Liar Liar from ColourPop. I want to use something a little bit more with it. So I guess I'll stick kind of in the same color story family. I'm going to grab this single as well. This is a ABH shadow in RTW. It's a bronzy shade, but I'm going to use Frog on Liar Liar first. Hello, Fallout. It's a peachy iridescent sheen shadow. I think I paid $4.50 for it. And you can get it without a compact like I did. I'm just covering my lid, my inner corner. I'm going to do my brow bone. And then I'm going to put it right up underneath my lower lash line in the front. Just kind of haphazardly putting it on. It just gives this nice ecru colored sheen to the skin. So if you're looking for a nice a neutral look, neutral shade, this is one that'll work well on, I think, a lot of people. I've also used it as a highlight shade. All right, now going in to that ABH shade. It's a coppery bronze. It's a little bit more shimmery than the other shade that I had used. This is something that I would do if I wanted a quick look and then to run out the door. It's a nice neutral look. It doesn't offend anybody. You're not wearing color. And if you want it more impactful, just get your brush wet or stick your finger in it. But I wanted this to just be a really quick, like neutral look with single shadows. And like I said, you don't have to have the same shadows that I do to create this look. Something in the same color family will work. Now, if you want to, you could do liner. I think I'm going to do my Arrow Enhanced Bright now in my waterline. It's like a pink-based white liner. I could have probably gotten away with using that sepia shade that I got from Avon. I think this is, yeah, this is it. Just for S&Gs, I'm going to use this on the outer edge of my upper lash line. It just gives it a little bit of something. So here is look one. All right, for eye look number two, this is gonna be a little bit different because I don't have a whole lot of matte shades in here. I'm gonna grab this like purple shade. This is one of mine. This is the shade Rockstar. I do have one of these left in stock in a single pan. I'm not quite sure if I have it in a like compact or anything. It's probably just a single pan like what's in here. This is a like gray based purple. So it's like a lavender purple shade. So if you're wanting to do like a cool toned look, this is like really nice for that. And I'm carrying it underneath my lash line as well. Kind of doing a C shape. And this is a satin shade, so it has sheen to it. Just want to make sure everything is blended nice and smoothly. Even though it's a satin shade, you can still blend it out. Now, sticking with some cooler shades, I'm going to be using Glass Bowl from ColourPop on one half of my lid, and then on the other half of my lid, this one was like a limited run color that I did. This is called Free Spirit. It's like a lilac-y shade. It has a little bit of yellow in it, but I'm going to take that first, and then I'm going to put Glass Bowl over it. So I'm going to take Free Spirit first on the inner part of my eye. This is a Luxie 249 brush. They do not, I don't think they make this one. This was from an Ipsy glam bag. I'm also going to carry it underneath here as well, and my inner corner. It's going to be basically an all purplish look. And then I'm going to flip my brush over and go into Glass Bowl. Glass Bowl is an interesting shadow. In some lights it looks pink, in some it looks purple, and in some it looks green. So I'm going to brush this over, and again, this is more of a fluffy brush. And carry it under my lash line. Now, if you want to intensify that Glass Bowl shade, I don't know what's going on, things are flickering. Grab it with your finger and press and drag. This is a beautiful like duochrome eyeshadow, and then I'm going to just blend back over the top. And with whatever's left over on here from the Glass Bowl shade, I'm going to put that up here as well. Now for liner, I actually pulled this like purplish gray one. This is actually called Mercury. It's like a silvery purple And it looks like I need to sharpen it. If you notice that your like gel eyeliners feel like hard or dry, just sharpen them a little bit, get a fresh layer. I've got all kinds of fallout going on. So there is a really quick look there. Now, these are actually like super simple looks that I like to do if I'm running out the door. I don't have a whole lot of time. I use 3 shades on one eye and 4 shades on the other, and a couple of liners. Now, if you wanted to, with the purple eye, you could do like a purple liner. You could do a black liquid liner above it, but it's like kind of nice just having it plain like this. You can even throw some like lashes on. There is look number 2. And then I will do a close-up of both. So just before this, you would have seen the pictures used as well as pictures of each eye. I like doing things like this because there are times when like I go to Walmart at 4 o'clock in the morning and I want to do an eye look really quick. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon right now, but I really like doing things like this that are super quick using single shadows that I know that I can just throw on and go right out the door. So that's why I do things like this. If you guys, need pointers for like different colors that you can use together, things that mix well together, whether or not you can use satin shades in your crease, which you can use shimmers in your crease, you can use metallic shades wherever the hell you really want to stick them. These are like really easy to do, they're really quick. I really love this glass bowl shade. It like looks lime green in the mirror underneath the camera, it looks purple in the camera, in my other mirror it looked pink. It really is like such a stunning shade. So I really like doing something like this with single shadows just so you guys can see. You can get really quick looks done with 2 or 3 different colors and then be out the door. It is what it is. Sometimes you gotta get your ass in gear and get out the door. So that's why I do these. And if you guys have like color suggestions that you want me to use to do this for other looks, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day or night wherever you are. I will see you in tomorrow's video.